Come up 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Be 18 years or over if you are playing with us. Here are the devices you can play on. And we're back. I've never heard it that fast before. What is that? Woohoo! Yeah, there's some flashing lights in here now. Disco. Bit of dad dancing for you there. Yeah. Oh, they've only gone and flashed the lights. I didn't know we could do that. Full on disco in here. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah, here we go. What am I doing? What am I doing with my hands? I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Anyway, we need to spin. No, we don't need to spin. We need to chuck. Here we go. That was great. I didn't even know we could flash the lights in here. 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. Only on special occasions. 3, 4 and 2 are your winning numbers. Well done if you got involved in that game. That was amazing. But did you know we could flash the lights in here? Full on nightclub, wasn't it? That was brilliant. Wow. Win Cash Live nightclub. Right, let's have a look. We do have winners from that last game. Come this way. Come this way. Let's see them. See them. John! It's John! £5 and 9p. Well done to you. Congratulations. Right. We are, I think we're done. Oh, we're going to have one more quick game. One more quick game. So, if you're ready, let's play for the final time this evening. Win Cash Dice. 3 dice. Here's the thing, if you want to play and you're not yet registered, I would perhaps, register now to play for tomorrow or potentially come back, same time, same channel tomorrow, get registered and get playing with Andy when he's back from his holes. You register by going to wincashlive.com, filling in the form, popping in your details. It's £1 to get your account open, that's it, and then you're away. You won't be able to play on this game though because there's not enough time because it's going to take a few minutes to get involved. Wincashlive.com is where you go if you're already one of our players and choose your number 1 to 6. Play with £1 all the way up to £20 and you could win cash live. Oh yeah, here we go, 18 seconds. I love the lighting effects, this is amazing. Can we have some smoke as well? Go! Can't do smoke, okay. No, no smoke. Okay, sorry. Just taking it too far, haven't I? I've broken it now. Sorry. Sorry. It was going so well with the flashing lights and the music, wasn't it? And I had to go out one step further and talk about the smoke. Anyway, it's time to chuck the dice. Here we go. Best of luck. Let's give the dice a chuck. 6, 3 and 2 are the winning numbers. 6, 3 and 2. Well done if you got involved in that game. And thanks for playing with us tonight here at Win Cash Live. We are back, same time, same place, same channel a little bit later on. Don't forget, of course, you can find out more about us at wincashlive.com. Yes, you can. All the details are there. You can register during your Sunday so you're ready for when Andy is here. Same time, same place, a little bit later on. That is it from...
Tonight's episode of the World Poker Tour is brought to you by PartyPoker.com.